Today on Autocar 66, we will show you the new Nissan N7, an electric sedan that could be the new Altima. See more about it after the intro. And Nissan has started selling a car in China that could be very interesting for international markets as well, the N7. The model is an electric sedan with a very futuristic design, developed in conjunction with its Chinese partner Dongfeng, and it has a style that is very different from the brand's other cars. If the Japanese car is impressive on the outside, things are no different on the inside, showing an environment with a very futuristic appearance. Although it is facing a delicate situation in corporate terms, with the closure of factories and mass layoffs, the sedan could be one of the great assets in the Japanese recovery, perhaps replacing the Altima, called Maxima in some markets. Compare the two here, and notice the big differences between them. In China, where it is already being sold, the car has already been a huge success, with over 10,000 units ordered in less than 20 days. Stay tuned, as we will show you everything about the new Nissan N7. Let's start with the sedan's design, which, as we have already pointed out, has very modern and almost futuristic lines. The front has lighting divided into two levels, with the daytime running lights connected by a bar that is illuminated by LED. The headlights are located lower down in the corners of the bumpers and are shaped like fangs. Below this bumper, we see an air intake for cooling. The side is very clean and has recessed door handles, with a very high and flat window beltline with very thin pillars. The roof has a very smooth slope, resembling a coupe. The rear is very high, displaying very narrow taillights, connected by an illuminated LED bar. The bumper has a large black section in its lower part, which houses the license plate and completes the beautiful exterior style of the N7. Going inside the new car, as we mentioned, we see a very modern and technological environment. The design is predominantly horizontal and uses straight lines, with materials in different colors and textures. The instruments use an exclusive digital screen, which is part of the multimedia system that has a large floating screen. There is good space for passengers and also for cargo, with its large trunk. The sedan's equipment list also stands out. It can come with a wireless smartphone charger, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, automatic headlights, traffic sign monitoring, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, among other items. The Nissan model measures 4 meters and 93 centimeters in length, 1 meter and 89 centimeters in width, and 1 meter and 89 centimeters in height, 48 inches in height, dimensions slightly larger than those of the Altima. As we said, the Nissan N7 uses an electric engine with options ranging from 215 to 268 horsepower, with a range of between 310 and 625 kilometers. Prices are one of the main selling points, at least in China. Prices start at around $16,500, cheaper than a Versa in the United States, and go up to $20,500 for the most expensive configuration. So, what do you think of the Nissan N7? Which is the best midsize sedan on the market for you? Tell us your opinion in the comments. We want to know.
Enjoying this video, so subscribe to the channel and like it so we can keep on producing our content.